Hello viewers, welcome to Discovery Birds. Today, I want to share with you a beautiful story about a stunning hawk-bill pair, a pair that has been waiting for their union for many seasons. Their journey is delicate, graceful, and full of nature's magic. As these two birds glide through the soft morning air, the rhythm of their wings blends with the quiet beat of their hearts. Today, we will explore how this lovely pair finally comes together, how their bonding ritual takes place, and how they build their perfect nest. Every moment between them is filled with affection, trust, and silent understanding. When they carefully collect tiny twigs and soft leaves for their home, it feels as if nature itself is guiding them. So join me on this beautiful journey as I show you how this charming pair begins a new chapter of life and prepares a safe, warm nest for their future chicks.